Alright class, today we're going to be talking about perimeter. And do any of you guys remember your third grade teacher talking to you about perimeter last year? Raise your hand. Okay, alright, so today we're going to continue talking about it. We're going to refresh our minds. And we're going to do an activity, a fun activity outside. So the first thing I want you to do is open your math journals, go to your table of contents, and write perimeter on the top. Then I want you to go to the following page on your notebook and write perimeter as the title. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to sing a song about perimeter that I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard maybe last year. So raise your hand if you heard the perimeter song. Awesome. And I'm going to ask, who wants to sing it for us in front of the class? Oh, okay. Let's have Anna, Walter, and Eddie come up here. And we're going to get to sing it together as a class. So for all of you guys that don't know it, we're going to sing it to you guys. And then after that, we're all going to get up and sing it together. All right? Are you ready? Show it to us.
Perimeter goes around, perimeter goes around. Oh, oh, don't you know perimeter goes around. We add up all the sides, you add up all the sides. Oh, oh, don't you know we add up all the sides.
Awesome. Give me a hand, guys. All right, now everybody get up. We're going to sing it together. Ready? Let's go.
Perimeter goes around, perimeter goes around. Oh, oh, don't you know perimeter goes around. We add up all the sides, we add up all the sides. Oh, oh, don't you know we add up all the sides.
Good job. Awesome. Now let's have a seat. Now, the next thing I want you to do on your journal is we're going to do a box at the top. This is going to be our measuring, different measurements that we're going to be using today to measure some sides that we're going to be working on. So the first thing I want you to do any of you guys have a ruler?
No.
Oh, and Pedro, can you go get that box over there and pass out a ruler for everybody in the class? The first thing you need to do after you do your square is I want you to write 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 foot equals 12 inches. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. I want your paper's going to look very similar to mine, okay? So everybody, if you pick up their ruler, can everybody see the side that says inches?
Yes.
Does everybody know what an inch looks like?
Yes.
And how many inches are in a foot?
12.
Popcorn.
12.
Excellent. All right. So the next thing we're going to write is 1 yard equals 3 feet. What does a yard look like? Not like your backyard.
Like
Let's talk about measurements. What does a yard look like? Pedro, what does a yard look like?
it's like, it looks like a line.
Like a wide? I like how you're thinking. Let's hear somebody else. What does a yard look like?
It looks 3 times longer than a ruler.
Yes, it's 3 times longer than a ruler. This is a yard.
Wow.
This is a yard. All the measurements. And it is 3 times the size of a ruler. Okay? So today we're going to be using yards and foot. That's right. Okay? So everybody has their legend and everybody has that written down? Then after that I want you to write a 1, a 2, and a 3. And I want you to space it out because we're going to be drawing shapes there. And we're going to be deciding the measurements for these shapes. Okay? And after that, we're going to go outside and we're going to do them with chalk. We're going to draw out our shapes with some scribs, okay? Outside, and we're going to be using our yardsticks as well as our ruler that has 1 foot on it. And we're going to be doing our shapes that we sketched out in the classroom. So one more time, can you guys tell me how many feet are in a yard?
3.
And how many inches are in a foot? 12. That's right. So we're going to spread out and everybody's going to create their shapes. Okay, and then I'm going to walk around, check everybody's shape. And once everybody's done, we're going to walk around and add each other's perimeters. Okay? Awesome.